Back in February 2019, I hit the scene. Volatility trading, live streams on the screen. Day trades, iniquities, highs and lows. Documenting my grind where the money flows from zero to hero. Chasing that dream, financial freedom, yeah, that's the thing. Sharing my wins, my losses, my place. Building a community through those trading days. To invest on the rise, from VOLA to now. Futures and props, I'm showing you how. Go VOLA will always get you the best discount. Join the journey, let's make it count. To invest, yeah, that's the name. Trading for free, playing the game. Go VOLA will always get you the best discount. Subscribe and thrive, no need to doubt. Years roll by, I kept it fire lit. But into 23, I made the switch. Futures calling, prop firms inside. New strategies, trading through the night. From volatility trading to invest bold. Evolving the channel, stories unfold. Live streams and tips for traders like you. Financial freedom, we're breaking through. To invest on the rise, from VOLA to now. Futures and props, I'm showing you how. Go VOLA will always get you the best discount. Join the journey, let's make it count. To invest, that's the name. Trading for freedom, playing the game. Go VOLA will always get you the best discount. Subscribe and thrive, no need to doubt. Through ups and downs, the market's wild ride. I've got the insights right by your side. From equities to futures, the path I've paved. To invest forever, the knowledge you've craved. To invest on the rise, from VOLA to now. Go VOLA will always get you the best discount. Yeah, that's the shout.
Yeah, it's cold VOLA, we flipping the script. Nasdaq futures, yeah, we making it rip. Fresca in hand, chips ruffle, we stream. Live with the squad, chasing that dream. Screens lit up, Nasdaq's calling my name. Day trading with VOLA, I'm changing the game. Cold VOLA's the sauce, I'm scalping with ease. Catching those ticks like a breeze in the trees. Poker chips ruffling, I'm stacking my bread. Straight to fun dig, I pay out to my head. Marbles racing, they rolling down the line. Like my trades in the zone, yo, I'm feeling so fine. VOLA's game, yeah, we running the play. Live stream, popping giveaways every Friday. Amazing dad, great trader, I'm the man. Fresca, sipping marble, spinning, got a plan. VOLA's game, I'm trading with style. Nasdaq's my world, I'm going that mile. From the charts to the fam, I'm winning.
What's going on? Anybody know what's happening right now?
Live streams on, yo, the chat's going
we
wild.
just
Dropping VOLA,
dumping off.
got the crowd all riled. Fresca on the desk, keep it cool, keep it crisp. Hit that like and subscribe, join the trade and assist. Fridays the vibe, trader fives giving it back. Giveaways flowing like a funded account. Stack from the markets to home, I'm the dad they adore. Great trader by day, yo, I'm setting that scoreless game. Yeah, we running the play. Live stream, popping giveaways every Friday. Amazing dad, great trader, I'm the man.
Don, Donald, Zishan, Tony, Rob, Miss K. What's going on? Good morning.
I'm going that mile from the charts to the fam. I'm winning it all. Cold VOLA's the fire. I'm answering the call. Chips clack loud, marbles racing the flash. Fresca's fizz popping while I'm stacking that cash. Live stream glow, like and subscribe to the crew. Cold VOLA's the spark, making dreams come true.
So we're up to we got our other funded account. We're at 400 on this one. I'm going to take that out, and then we're going to keep going. Hopefully we can build it up for tomorrow. Oh, look, he literally just took it out. Just like that. At the open, we're gonna attempt the orb, see what happens. But I don't like all these big candles already. With $400 to start the day, well, 320.
I'm the king. Like and subscribe, yo, I'm doing my thing.
Looks like a video on how fast they do payouts. I mean, I could. Yeah, we took 2 trades over here on this Apex account. We're up 65 bucks. Just 2 little 5-point scalps with 3 contracts. Both hit the bands. Look good. Yeah, if I could start every morning by taking a payout and then I can still trade that account, I mean, what more can you ask for? You start the day off, like, in your head, you're good to go. Now, I will say, this move here. So I didn't trade this one until here on this account, but on the account that I just took the payout from, I started that here. And it missed my take profit by just a little bit. I was looking for the retest of this candle. Didn't quite get it. And then it immediately came back down. And then when it came back up here, I was like, oh, it's going to come get me. And then it didn't. And then it just died. I actually had to manage this trade. Added on the way down. Ended up getting out on this candle here as it popped up. So, I ended up losing $6 on that trade. But I managed it well. Got out of it, and then we traded this move here on the other account. Because we were only up 351, so we made I think it was like 25 bucks here, and then we just made 25 bucks on this move down on the other account as well, which got us to that 400. Cool KLO, what's going on? Music's too loud? Is it though? The whole point was for it to be loud. Get us pumped up. I'll turn it down. Is that better? All right, we got 1 minute. It was. Is it better now? I'll go a little lower. I'll go a little lower. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. See what happens. No! The orb trade, man. It freaking missed my take profit by... My take profit was literally at 8.15. I think it was because I got slippage on the fill too. Son of a... There goes that account. Fuck! Fucking orb trade is fucking demolishing me. Ah! What was that? 2 points, 8 ticks. I was going for 41 ticks and it missed me by 8. Ah! I should have. So I put my order at 805. It was like 804. It was like right here because I figured if we got above here, it would go, which it did. But then it literally ran right into the top of this candle. Ah! Dang it, man. I'm so tired. The lost time on that. That's twice. That's twice now. The first day I got the funded on a second account, the orb failed. It's so frustrating. It works to pass the eval, works to pass the buffer, but then the first day I'm trading it for real money and it doesn't work. So annoying. Why is it not letting me switch back to micros? Ugh! That's so annoying. It won't let me go back to micros. All I see is minis. Add a new symbol. So annoying. It's twice. No, I'm just doing the opening candle orb, where you just use the volatility of the opening candle. I should have just canceled it when it didn't go right away, and then... Ugh! I watched it. It literally went right to it, and I'm like, just go a little bit more, and then it just didn't. And then just reversed and took me out. It's just that's a minimum of 4 days to get back to that, right? Because they got the 40% rule, so it takes a minimum of 3 days to get through the first part of the eval. Then you have the buffer, which you can pass in 1 day. Why can I not get back? There it is. All right, well, that's frustrating. Where are my Keltner channels? They just randomly disappeared too. Looking at a blank chart over here. So frustrating. All right. Mentally moving on in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. We're past it. It happened. Can't do nothing about it. It's over. Move on.
so bad. Staring at the screen, going freaking mad. Marcus teasing daily, flirting with my fate. Giving me a wink, then slamming shut the gate. Better set that stop loss or you'll pay the price. One bad move without it, and you're rolling the dice. I love this game, trading till I die. Heart pumping fast under that market sky. Never gonna quit, no matter the fight. Day trading futures, my endless delight. Yeah, volatility's my thrill, patterns in my veins. Through the highs and lows, I'll dance in the rain. Trading's in my blood, to my last breath gone. Futures forever, from dusk till dawn.
It's just frustrating because I only needed one. I only needed one of those to work both times I was funded, and you essentially pay for 3 accounts. But now I've paid for 0 of the accounts on the orb trade side of things. Just frustrating. I'm over it. I was just thinking, like, the process of, like, now I'm kind of journaling in my head.
Chase this room. Her eyes were storms, full of unshed tears. Left me alone with my mounting fears. Family call, stop, doors slammed shut tight. I'm done with your schemes, they said in the night. Brother, turn away. Mom won't say my name. I'm a ghost in their world, drowning. Oh, the trades went wrong, and the money's gone. Life's a downward spiral since the trading dawn. Lost it all in a.
All right, see if we can't get a move up through 850 here. I'm not trading. I bust up through 850 would start putting us up towards the top. Are you talking on the orb? The orb I don't really count. The idea of the orb is that you're going to get such a big candle it doesn't matter. And I'm only looking for 10 points. And how big was this candle? 765, 813. That's a 50-point candle. I'm only looking for 10 points. And that was a relatively small candle because it was essentially the same size as all these candles. Just frustrating. Had I not got filled there and I waited for my short was down here, I would have got filled instantly on that. Just bad luck, man. That's just bad luck. The fact that that happened twice. So I've spent 2 weeks, essentially. So 3 days for the first eval, another day for the buffer. That's 4 days. So it takes 5 days to get to the funded account. But once you're at the funded account, that's it. That's your money. So anything you make is yours. So if that would have worked, that's another $400 I would have been taking out this morning. But now that account's gone. Another 140 bucks down the poo-poo drain. But it is what it is. I mean, it happens. It's just these are the times where it's just frustrating because it's like you've worked hard to get to that point, and then for the first day twice, it to just stuff it in your face. It feels personal, you know, even though it's not. It's just it sure feels that way. Makes you realize it's funny too because I just made a video that's currently being edited about the psychology of trading. And it's funny. It is kind of funny. Yeah, I saw Alpine got smacked too. I agree. So when it first opened, that's what I was saying. I probably should have canceled it once it didn't just go right away. But usually when that happens, if you do get a move, it'll go. And it did. It just whatever literally was the top of this candle the same? 1325, 13. Yeah, literally whatever the seller is that was here must have still been there because it just ran right into him again. I was literally at 815. I mean, like, look at that. Let me draw a line at where my take profit was. Like that's where my take profit was. Like that, how frustrating is that to go from almost withdrawing another $400 to losing the account? That's how close it was. Like that is frustrating. So frustrating. GDT, you here? I don't think I saw it. Yeah, I didn't see him yet this morning. Is he live by chance? He is. Happy birthday, dude. What are you, like 52 now? Wah wah, good morning. You're 40 today? Shit, wait, I thought you were older than me. Guess we're the same age? I don't know. I guess technically you were born a year after me. But you're relatively close. 6 months. I don't know why. For some reason I thought you were older than me. 86 baby, huh? Morning, Josh. How did you enable the price line for the indicators? So it's inside the if you go inside the bands, where it says show value, there's a little checkbox. GDT's 40. Ha ha ha. Laugh at him. Everybody laugh at GDT.
And I bet he still won't let me win marbles this week.
I not laugh. I meant clap. Sorry. My bad.
Yeah, Scarman, unfortunately my body, I think, is well past 40.
Yeah.
About that for a while.
I feel the same way.
Still recovering from my knee surgery.
I don't know what happened to my traders launch thing, but like everything reset. My trade panel was gone. My take profit shit was changed.
Make sure you guys go subscribe to my other YouTube channel, Whiskey Juice. That's what you can get me.
Nice little dip here.
Because currently, GDT and Whiskey Tears are dead even on subscribers. Dead even.
Order filled. Order working. Order filled.
Quick little scalp there.
Oh yeah, market doing the move too.
Loser down there, 696. Been pretty close to it.
Order filled. Order working. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, we're gonna need some help on the Trader's Launch
Order
account.
filled.
That's keep going. That was nice on this account. I need 720s on Trader's Launch account though.
Market just took a bit of a dip. Not 10 o'clock yet, so no numbers or anything. I don't know if anyone's talking.
721 will get us out of trouble.
Yes.
Come on. Come on, 721, 721, 721. Oh my lord. 720. You gotta be kidding me. No way, bro. Don't you dare. 721's my order. Come on, don't do that. Come on, come on. Oh my. There we go. Alright. Out of the woods. Gonna hold, looking for the retest to 740. There we go. See if we can't actually make some money off of this. And only one micro at the moment. Got bailed out there. We were down like 450 there at the bottom. So, I mean, it wasn't that crazy, but... There we go. I'm going to try to hold this one. See if we can't get a big old push. Nice. Let's go. Let's go straight back up.
Hey, Nishan, I'm still waiting for my Pappy 15 to show up at the door. Haven't seen it yet.
If we get up 100, which we were close there at the top, I'll probably take this off.
Get going here.
I don't want this to come all the way back down. Although this feels like it might just go straight up. You know what? F it. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna put a stop below. We're gonna follow candle. The stop's at 3250. That's such a big candle. It would suck to give that entire candle back, but I want to see if we can ride it up as it comes right back down. Get back up there. We're just going to try to follow this up, see if we can't V back up there through 800. Our average is 719. Basically 720. It's 719.81. Stop is currently at 32.50. I'm going to try to ride this up as far as it'll go. I'm just going to keep following previous candle. Kind of hoping it would hold the bottom right here at 740. Looking left. Looking like it's going to get me. Yep. All right. All out there. Made like 20 bucks there, which is kind of crap, but oh well. I'm just glad we didn't get smacked. Made 186 over here on Tradeify so far, which is pretty nice. I would like to at least get the 200 because you got to make at least 200 per day there. Hesitation would have been good until here. I mean, this was a beautiful trade down here. It ran right into the bands. Oh, I'm glad I got out. Now we'll have a chance to get back in. Every trade today, even in pre-market, has been tough. A lot of continuation today. Not a lot of chop. There's been a lot of continuation today, not a lot of bouncy, like hit, bounce kind of stuff. And here we go again. I actually took that at the bottom. I'm in 4 contracts, and it just kept going. Like I said, I need to be a lot more patient today because we're just getting continuation. We're not getting the pops back up. Yesterday it was like every big candle down, it would pop back up at least temporarily. Where today we're just continuing. It's not good. Average at like 84.
Certainly makes those big poppers harder to come by.
Just looking to get out of this one alive, not looking for anything more. 85.25 is my to get out course. Telling you, they're trapping today hard. This doesn't feel good. This feels actually really bad. Feels like we could just completely dump if we don't get some sort of a bounce here. Yeah, the sellers are just in control. It's just one of those days. What is going on? The continuation today is just... It's the account killer day, as they like to call it. Shit.
Yeah, I think you might be behind, Adley. That Pappy 15, I think I said like 5-10 minutes ago.
Order filled. Order working.
Right as I get in. Guys, we might lose the Trader's Launch account. Down 700 right now. I'm in 8 micros.
Order filled.
We need 77. Top of that previous candle to get bailed out here. I'm looking to just get out of it. I'm just trying to manage and get out. Save face again. This is two trades in a row. Just does not want to bounce. Come on, one little bounce. Go do the retest thing. Do the retest thing. There we go. Come on, get up there. If we get anywhere close, I might take some off at a loss just to mitigate the risk, but man, just getting rejected. Part of me wants to take some off here, but trying to let it work. Yeah, shit. Yeah, this feels like it's just gonna fail. Well, give me one of them like big wicks up real quick. Get me out of this thing. Is that the front door? Why are these people keep coming back? It's crazy. All right, I think if we go back to the lows, we're in trouble on the Trader's Launch account. I think we were down like 800 at the lows, so we only had 1,000. Thankfully, we took the payout there. We need this to really not go lower. Come on, 50, hold it up. We told these guys no soliciting last time, and yet here they are again. Crazy. They couldn't have picked the worst day too, because trading is not going very well today. Everything's been a fight. I need to start recognizing this beforehand because I called it. I said it was doing this, but yet I'm still trading it. Not looking good, not looking good. We need this to fake out right now.
Tim is sad. I think Tim's alright. He just gets frustrated sometimes.
Daddy, chill.
Well, I'll lose the account if it goes to the lows pretty much, so not looking forward to that. Yeah, I was watching them. It's those people again. The one you said no soliciting to? 108336. Same code. 108336. Yeah, it was the church guys again. Come on. You got to be kidding me. 77.50. 77.50. And it went to 77. 2 ticks. Thank you. All right. Out alive. Obviously, no intentions of holding for this move that it's making. I'm just glad to get out alive. Only if I had the balls to hold for this type of move. But you obviously don't know that's coming. It could have just as easily have faked out and went right back to the lows.
He needs some milk.
I would love some butter chicken to cheer me up. All right. I am up 225 on this account. I just wanted to get over 200 at least. I am alive on the Traders Launch account. But just everything has been a struggle. So I will not be trading again until we get close to the bands, because that's the only thing. The bands are the only thing that look like they're working today. Yesterday, you could trade inside of them a little bit because you were getting bounces on the way down. But today, no matter which way it's going, you're just getting continuation. Like, look at this. I mean, even on the way back up here, there was no relief bounce. It's just going straight that direction. They're just trapping. Everyone's getting trapped. I'm gonna go get another drink. Today is not a very good counter trend day. I mean, it is if you're waiting for the band, I guess, but if you're trying to trade the chop, and it's not chopping, it's just trending. Oh, this isn't, my songs are over, huh? Go over to this. Definitely a frustrating morning. Had the orb trade worked, I would have been happy. We'd be up 800 bucks today in payouts instead of just 400. But at the same time, not only did it not work, but we got absolutely blasted. Lost the account.
Also, not great on the locates there. So, and only 54K volume.
Yeah, look at this. It's just grinding. Like no real attempt at a pullback. The bands are like a warm hug. Just feels right unless you're in prison. Well, that's quite the morning. Take the money and run today. I still need one more day of trading the past TPT account anyway, and I still work thing from 1 to 5. Yeah, dude, today's been tough. I feel like I've come close to. I feel like I very easily could have blew my account twice there. Once on this move and once on this move. I mean, it could have very easily have just kept going. Both times. But thankfully it bounced and got me out. Both times. I'm just playing with fire, it seems. Done. Any tips for knowing when to add and when to stop out when the move moves deeper into the bands? So as far as ads go, I try to stick to key areas. So your 80s, your 30s, your 20s, just key areas. So like on the way down here, on the break of 700, you're looking for 680 to get the bounce back to 700. So if you don't get that, then you're kind of looking to wait for a bigger move down towards 650. Usually I'll add before that, looking for 650s to never get touched, because if we still hadn't retouched 700, I'm still looking for that. So if you can get your average down and then you have a better average for that 700 retest. That's essentially what I'm looking for. I'm always looking for a retest of one of the key areas getting broken, whether that's a whole dollar or a half dollar. So 700, 650, 600. Those are never bad places to add either, but I always tend to try not to add at that key area before it gets tested. So like if we're coming down to 650, I'll try to wait until it tests 650 before adding, because sometimes what happens when you break those key areas, it dives, it starts to skip. So you obviously don't want to get in and then have it skip through that key area against you. As far as stop outs, a stop out to me, like this is actually a really good example. On the way down, it didn't get to the bands, but say this was on the bands and you got in, and say your average was, I don't know, like say 640, like right where it was. Or well, no, that's bad. Say you were already in and you get an ad and it starts to pull back but doesn't get up to where your average is. Let's say your average was up here at 670, which is where mine was on the trade. Now, if this rolls over, it attempts to pull back but doesn't and rolls over and breaks the low, that should, in theory, be your stop out. Because it attempted to pull back, it said, no, we're going to continue lower. So the odds are it's going to continue lower if it breaks that low it set. So that should be your stop out. Until you get some sort of a pullback, I am perfectly okay with not stopping out. So like if the account can hold on and it just keeps going down the bands, I'm going to try to ride that as long as I can until we get some sort of attempt at a pullback. And you'll know there's an attempt at a pullback because it's the candle colors are going to change. Whether it's going up and you start to see red, or whether it's going down and you start to see green. That's an attempt at a pullback. And if it fails, your cut should be right under that, no matter how big or small it is. That's how the strategy is supposed to work. Good morning, Profit per tick. Buzz, if you have... Yep, no problem. I was going to say, if you have additional questions based off that, let me know. I love talking about it. I love answering the questions. Altus. What's going on? Good morning.
He needs some milk.
Yeah, Buzz, I mean, if you have the patience to wait for the bans, man, I mean, it speaks for itself. And even this morning, if you would have just waited for the bans every time, look at this. Every time you even get close. Every time you even get close to the bans, it's work. I'm good, man. How are you? Yeah, the pre-market ones were actually pretty good. I was here for one of them. Yeah, this one. I got an early entry, but it ended up working. Just check in on everybody, see how GDT's doing. Still the same, it looks like. Check on Alpine. Oh, he wasn't doing great. Ooh. He made some back on the other PA account. See how Nutty's doing. He's got some red as well. Methodical, I can't see how he's doing. He doesn't keep it up on his screen.
Order filled.
Order filled. I just need to win the members giveaway tomorrow. This is true. Everyone needs to do it. Don't know if it's a dream or a nightmare yet. Pinch yourself. Pinch, baby, pinch. Everyone's getting nailed in the ass today. I got green. Let's go. Hells yeah. The movie Inception was awesome. Is this your first time seeing it?
And spit on that thing. You get me?
That don't make no sense.
At Borsiu became a member.
Ballsy dude. I gotta screw. Balls. Balls. I'm just gonna call you Balls. What's up, Balls? Welcome to the channel, my man. Appreciate that. Appreciate the support. Welcome to the VOLA gang. May those ticks and marble rolls be with you. Balls, dude. That was like the first thing that came to my mind. Balls Sidhu? Balls Sidhu. That's Balls Sidhu. Is that right? Zishan could tell me.
Gay.
Pretty much, pretty much. Ball? Just ball? Is it ball or bow? Only Tim Vesh would smile over balls. Yeah, I do have a pretty perverted mind. Don't we all? Yeah. Ball, bow. Okay, okay. I'll just call you Balls then, if you don't mind. I think everyone would agree that we should call you Balls. What's the EMA? It's the 13 EMA. 13 EMA, and then the blue bands are 3 times multiplier, and the red and green bands are the 4 times multiplier, both using the 13. I just like to have the... Ideally, if you can wait for the 4, it's better, but as you can see, anytime you get between the 3 and the 4, that tends to be a good spot. Oh, yeah. This is email address? Gotcha. He has the pink one. It's 6-7. But you can't see it unless he's in a trade. Come on. All right, headed back to the lows. Guys, I'm telling you, be careful when we get there. The continuation today has been crazy. Don't expect bounces. Have you ever tested the 21 EMA on the Keltner? I was back testing this last night and it works very good. I've tested a bunch, and I'm not saying the 21 doesn't work, but I'm saying if you think the 21 works, then use it. This is what I came up with, and this is what I find works. If you can take this and make it better, make it your own, please do. That's what trading is all about. There's no right or wrong way to do this. You find what works for you. If changing the EMA works for you, then by all means do it. If you have long-term success with it and you stay in here and prove to me, I mean, shit, I will gladly, I am always open to changing. This is just what works for me. So that's what I do. It provides payouts. So I'm going to keep doing it. But if there's a possible better way out there, I am not opposed. I put the 8 and 21 EMA on there as well. I'm thinking we go down to some Sunday open prices around 24.5. Yeah, we're getting, what was it? 24.4 on the daily is where that key area was. Yeah, like 354. They did not come up and break those levels, so it does look like the market does want to come back down here. The only reason we went all the way back up was because Trump came out and said war was over, yada yada. So, I don't know. We'll see. Well, so far we got a nice little bounce. I'm just working on sending a business email real quick. Once I'm done that, we'll do some marbles. All right. Let's see what we do at the lows here, and then we'll play some marbles. All right, be careful. Look for the continuation. See what I mean? How there's just like no bounce after this giant candle? It's crazy. Of course, as I say that. But still, that's not really a bounce. And we didn't even, well, we kind of got up there. Well, see what happens. What's up, Starboy? I can't make this shit up, man. My order's at 607. It literally went to 607. It's crazy. There it goes. Mom's making something. It smells like Royal Farms fried chicken. It smells delicious. I took it off right before it. God dang it. That's twice now I did that. You gotta be kidding me. I was trying to hold it because of that move earlier. Remember I got out like right here and then it did this? I was trying to hold it, looking for it to do the same thing, and it just wouldn't do it. So I took it off and then it shot up. What a joke. And my Lucid Flex funded account, I've been trading it 4 days now, and I'm up 2,200. I just need one more day at 150, and I can request a payout. Is that correct? Hells yeah, Donovan. Lucid Flex. Let me make sure before I say anything. It's just 3 days. It's a 40% consistency rule. 3 days. Or wait, that's pro. Hold on. Flex. Sorry. Hold on. Sorry. Yes, 5 days. 5 days. You are correct. I was like, that doesn't sound right. Yes, you are correct. 5 days to pay out. 5 of at least 150 bucks. That's it. 150 bucks. Tomorrow, you are a payout master. Ooh, wee! Make it happen, brother. We are currently not in any trades, just FYI. Man, today is a struggle. Everything is just not easy. Not easy today. All right, let's do this. Z-Shot. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. You got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Get him in. Yeah, this market, man, it's a tough one. We are somehow, some way up $100 after the $400 payout this morning on the Traders Launch account. Could have easily been blown twice, but we're actually up $100. We're up 225 on the Tradeify account. I know we blew the Orb account twice now on day one. But today still feels like a win, right? We did take the payout, which can pay for a new account, just lost time. The lost time is what sucks the most. Typically around this time, we would like to be up the amount of money that we want to withdraw tomorrow, but we're only up $100. So that's a little frustrating as well. But it still feels like a win today. It still feels like a win today, considering what we've went through. Always got to take that into perspective. I also did send a follow-up email to Take Profit Trader. So I was kind of nervous about doing that, but we did it. We'll see how that pans out. Just definitely an anxious type day. Definitely an anxious type day. All right, let me start getting the members on the track. You guys have until I get the members on the track to keep getting your marbles in there. And after today, if I somehow do win the golf track, I'm keeping the money. I need to keep the money now. It's mine. Look at this market, man. This does not quit. It does not quit. All right. I got everybody in. Addedly, good catch. You're going to be the last one. Miss K, good luck. Of course. I appreciate you guys being here and supporting. It's the least I can do. I'll get you, Eric. Eric will be the last one. Let me make sure you're not already in there, though. Trying to get 2 marbles. Nope. All right. Is our new member here? Was Balls in there? I wasn't really paying attention to the names that I was adding them. Let me see. Nah, I think he left. Hopefully he'll be here tomorrow. Oh, you're here? You didn't enter the marbles race. I'm gonna put you in there. Can't become a member and not play marbles on your first day. All right, 74. You're in there, Addedly. It's just you got in after the timer ran out. So it didn't tell you you're in, but you're in. I have it set up to where it doesn't stop entries until I do the close marbles. All right, 74. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it as the market starts to bounce. Con Divergence Master. First one up in the sky. Remember, 3 races on the 3rd race. If any marble crosses the bridge, we keep going. Yesterday, we went on forever. We actually almost had 2 winners yesterday. Mala. Keyshawn, what's up? Did you not get in? Sorry. Gave you plenty of time. You had like 4 minutes. I don't think I had one trade today where I had only one entry on Trader's Launch. I think every trade I took, I ended up with multiple entries. No scalp that just worked. Not a single one. That's crazy. I've taken a decent amount of trades too on that account. Thankfully, the first one I took, I started it with one contract. Had I started that one with 2 contracts, I would have blew the account. Getting some kind of volatility right now. Oh, war's over again. War's over again. Condivergence, first one up, and he's there. Let's go. From start to finish, baby. Let's go. Oh, he's going straight for it. I don't think I've ever seen this. He's going straight for it. No. Dang. All right, just scalped that one. That was actually a good one. Multiple entries again, but I made 44 bucks off of it, up to 144. I don't know what that was, but I was being very careful with it because I started it like right at 7, and got the ad at 720. Made. Just crazy market, man. I don't know what the heck. I don't know. Was that some kind of news? Somebody say something? I mean, the volume really came in there, so. Missed that trade? Damn. I got 2 entries on that trade. How are you missing it? Dang, I should have held. I was going to hold it to look for the 50 retest, but I was scared. All right, I'll still take it. Again, though, multiple entries. Multiple entries. Multiple entries. Nothing has just worked. I should have took the trade on Tradeify too, but honestly, I was scared thinking it might have been news, and we're headed back to the middle of the overall move throughout the day, so I was being cautious. Trump suspending the Jones Act. Where do you see this, Jen? Where do you find your news? I need to find a better news outlet. Wow, I should have held. Straight back to the lows. Holy smokes. Guess people don't care that much, huh? GDT, you missed that entry, buddy. You missed that entry. All right, Zishan. If you win, I'll keep it for you, and I'll pay you for the butter chicken. You're in a trade? All right. If GDT won the trade, I will put him in the next race since it's the last one, and I'll also put Keyshawn in. Oh, he won. All right. I'll get him in there after this race is over. Wow, nobody's making it. Are you guys not in there? Where were you guys? Oh! Jack of all trades. Yeah, I'll put you guys in there. And me, and me, and me, and me, and me. And it's like playing basketball. And one. How did you fall off the side like that? Hit another marble? All right, well, that was pretty quick. Let's go add some peeps. Don, Donald. Yeah, you guys aren't in there. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Well, let me get Keyshawn in there. Real Donald. Don. Fiona. Did I miss one? I must have clicked one extra. It's me trades. All right, I had one extra slot. Look, it was waiting for you. All right, 88. Good number. Good number. All right, nobody else. All right, this is the last one. This is the third one. We need somebody to cross the bridge, or are we done? I got you, Keyshawn. Look at that. Your first one up. Oh, man. I actually slept pretty good. Still pretty tired. Half of the LNG carriers trapped in the Gulf, brokers say, cited by Wall Street Journal. Well, I saw the U.S. oil rig got set on fire. Is that part of why we're having a down day? Would be my guess. I will cross over the bridge to Terabitha, or is it Terabithia? I'm legit scared to trade today anymore. Like, seriously. I feel lucky to even be alive, minus that damn orb trade. Uh-oh. Not looking good. Trader's Nest said, it only takes one, baby. It only takes one. It only takes one. There it is. We race again. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. No. Well, so far it's looking like good thing we got that one out of the way. Oh, I think that's not going to work. It's too far to the right. Like going slow. Look at it. Got to pop right. Got to pop right. No. Well, up and right. On to the next one. After it takes 30 seconds for you to get down there. It's probably quicker to wait though, because then I can just hit play again. Oh! Fiona! Zelda! One Punch Trader! Vasa Viking 68! Ramen Trader 8! Ran out of stuff for work and ran out of black ink. Fucking ink, man. All right, well, I'll sit here for a couple minutes to see if we roll over to the lows. If not, I'm probably just gonna get out of here. If we break 646 before we break 600, I'm out of here. If we break 600, I'll see if we continue down to the lows. All right, rolling over. See what happens. Took a short. I'm literally $1 away from passing. Oh no. Go down to 1 micro. I used 2 micros, that's why it wasn't that much 9-point move. Well, now just use 1 micro. And you only need like a point. Tradeify using your marbles code? What? I'm actually going to be on Tradeify. What day is it? Next week, next Tuesday, the 17th. I'll be on Tradeify at 10 o'clock. Now my gold short stopped me. I'm going down. Yeah. You're going to wait till tonight to get $1? No way, bro. You got to just go for it. Just 1 micro. Just pick a direction with a take profit of like 4 ticks. Donald, no. I did not. I have no idea. I never heard that from anybody. Oh, you need 1 more day of trading, and okay, I got you. So yeah, you can just do it tomorrow or tonight. Of course, it comes down, doesn't make a low, and now just pops right back up into the same area. So now I'm sitting here waiting. Is it in a good way, Wawa? Like you're up? I should probably do the same, to be honest. I feel like I'm just asking for trouble. Do something, market. Yeah, good. Yeah, today has been very hard. Green, let's go. That's all that really matters, right? If you can have a hard day and you're green, then boom shakalaka. Nobody won, Zushan. Nobody won! Kiddo, what's up? I'm just about to get out of here depending on what the market does. I was gonna stay if we could break the lows and maybe get a trade, but we're just chopping. Chop, chop, chopperoo. All right, here we go. All right, Don. See you, man. Have a good rest of your day. I'm out of here too, unless the market wants to do something here. It's tempting. It's trying. It's teasing. All right, broke the lows, but just a little poke through. I'm obviously waiting for at least the $half here, 550. Oh no, Alpine's like tilting. You might get bailed out though. Wow, that drop. He had his stop at 557 and it stopped at 61. He's getting bailed out. I think he's holding it though. Yeah, he's trying to hold it. Now his stop is at 568. Thankfully, he's just doing it on one account. It still might work out. If there's any chance of me getting a trade, I would need it not to work, but... he needs it to start holding support here. Which the odds are if it goes higher, it's probably going to come down to probably right around his stop. Find a higher low, right? And then go. That's usually, when you reverse, that's usually what happens. Well, hopefully we don't see 68. Hopefully it holds here at 70. So far, that higher low was right above his stop. Good for him. Sucks for me. And now I'm probably not going to get a trade, but it's good. He's green right now, but I think he's trying to hold for the bigger move. I think he's trying to make back his loss from earlier. Oh, shit. That's not good. Oh, right back up. Yeah, he... Do we know for sure if Apex PA fees are discounted or permanent? As of right now, they seem to be permanent. Like, it's not part of, like, the sale. It's just the price. So, yeah. Depending on the size of your account, that's the price of the PA account. No. I'm rooting for Alpine at this point. I want to see it break 600 and work, but every time it gets up here, it just fails. But he has a stop in the right place. His stop's sitting at 68. Thankfully, on this candle, it stopped where it did. So now they're trying to make it a higher low. Feel like it's whichever way it breaks first is where the way it's gonna go. Yeah. Hold. It's not good that it went right down to it though. This might actually slingshot. I'm actually interested if it does. Hold. It's like the Braveheart. Hold. Because they were huge before. Yeah. I think that's just part of their restructure. Well, now they don't have uncapped payouts, so they don't have to worry about the big payouts. They can lower the fees. No. Where'd it go? 68.75. Oh, what? It tagged them out. I guess the NQ went to 68. Wow. The NQ actually went to 67. The MNQ didn't. The MNQ only went to 68.75, I think it said. Yeah. Damn, so it stopped them out, popped back up, so I'm not even going to get a trade. He's gonna be pissed. Oh no. Oh no. He got ticked out. All right. I think I'm gonna get out of here because it doesn't look like it's gonna roll over. So I will see you all tomorrow. Tomorrow's giveaway Friday. Friday giveaways. Giveaway account free account Friday. Whatever we're calling it. Appreciate y'all being here. I will see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Till then, have a good rest of your day. Peace.